Okay, guys, I'm going to make a video about this, okay, because I just logged on to the Quest 3, Meta Quest 3, and it says update available. I'm going to click on update now in a bit, and it's going to download. Actually, I'm just going to click update now. And then the reason why I'm making this video, because this is like the third update for v77. Okay, as you can see, I'm on v77.1027, and now it's updating to a newer version. Now it did update once before. I usually make a part 2, but it was such a small update, I decided not to. But this time, it actually updated for a third time on v77, which never actually happened. Also, that usually doesn't happen either. So I'm actually confused as to that. I don't know if your site pop up on the screen, but usually that pops up when you play around with the setting on the bottom to do eye distance or whatever, but I didn't touch it and it still popped up. I guess it has something to do with the update. Also, other icons were like this when I logged on. I imagine they'll go back to normal after I update. When I logged on, what I mean is when I actually signed on. It's installing OS. I'm assuming I'll have to reset it. I'll probably make a follow-up video that will probably come out later today or tomorrow to see if there are any big visual changes or anything like that. So definitely stay tuned to the channel for that. But without further ado, I just wanted to let you guys know that I got a third v77 update. So if you are getting multiple v77 updates yourself, then it's perfectly normal, because this is my third v77 update. Because see, what they do is they release features in the waves, which it's called a staggering rollout or whatnot, which I don't know why they did that. Maybe it's a bit more efficient on the servers or something. I don't know. If anyone wants to let me know the whole thing behind it, the reason behind it, I'm all ears. But with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.